You're going to need is the VersaTrack mounting bracket. Comes with 3 that you can see I have laid out here in each spot. The one that has this angle shape on it is the front. Then there's one that's rectangular is the second. And then the final one is very similar to that middle one, but you can see right here, it has a little half moon shape in there. That's how you know it's the rear one. They're gonna get installed underneath. You're gonna pull 2 bolts out. It'll go out directly up like this. You're gonna put them on there. Not super tight. You're just gonna get them kind of snugged up. And then after that, you will put on your actual RidgeStep. When you're putting the RidgeStep on, you're gonna see here, you flip it over. You're gonna take these C brackets. You're gonna slide all 3 of them in, just like that. And then you will adjust it to those brackets when they're on there. I'll show you that step next. Once your remounting bracket's attached here, you can attach the RidgeTrack, tighten it up. They each have 2 bolts on it with a lock washer and a regular washer. It's a size 13, just tighten it right up. Snug them all there, and you do that for all 3 and you'll be in good shape. All right, here's a look at the installed Aries RidgeStep. See it on there, nice and clean. Gonna be great. Really excited for this. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Put them in the comments below, and please subscribe.